Hi. Many people face issues while installing custom cursors. They don't know what to install. I have downloaded this Night Diamond cursor from DeviantArt. I'm gonna show you the details on how to install it and bring it to full use. So, this is the zip file of the cursor. Extracting it. Inside the folder, the files are there. People get confused what to install. Simply find this installer.inf or simply install a file. Right-click. Finally install. It's installed successfully. But the cursor has not yet changed. Let's do something further. From Start, go to Mouse Settings. Then Additional Mouse Settings. Come to Pointers. Under Scheme, find the name. It is Night Diamond. Apply, then OK. Now, the cursor is activated and working properly. This is how you can install any custom PC mouse cursor and use them easily. Let us know further if you have any query. Hope you liked it and also subscribe to Joseph IT. Goodbye.